Welcome back, dear students. So in this video we are going to see practice questions and their solution. So here the first question is ABCD is a parallelogram with angle A is 4x plus 15 and angle C is 5x plus 4 degree. Find angle A. So we know that if a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then their opposite angles are going to be equal. So you can see this angle A and C are equal. So angle A is equal to angle C. Just we can write on 4x plus 15 is equal to 5x plus 4. So we can solve this equation. 15 plus 4 will bring here, it will go minus. So 15 minus 4 will get 11 and here 1 x. So x we got as a 11. Now just find out angle A. So angle A is 4x plus 15. So we'll keep x value. So 44 plus 15 will get. So angle A is 59 degree. So in this way we have found angle A is 59 degree. So the next question is, if the number of faces of a solid shapes are 7 and the number of vertices are also 7, what should be the number of edges of that solid? So here one thing is given, that number of vertices and faces are equal. So the solid is going to be pyramid. Solid is going to be pyramid, and we know that here the number of faces and the number of vertices are equal to 7. So if you want to find out the edges, first of all we should know the number of sides. So here when the 7 and this 7 are there, so it's a pyramid is there, then it's going to be hexagonal pyramid, and we know that edges can be find sides into 2. So side is going to be here, you can say for hexagon there can be 6 side. So 6 twos are, you can write down the 12. So 12 edges, faces are 7. Again edges are, we got a 12, and the vertices are also 7. So it is hexagonal pyramid. In a hexagonal pyramid there can be the 6 triangle and 1 hexagon. So here the next question is 6 cubes, each of edge is a 6 centimeter. So cube is there whose edge is what? 6 centimeter, melted to form single cuboid of a height. So here cuboid is there with a height 8 centimeter and the breadth is what? 12 centimeter. So we have to find out its length. So here are the such 6 cubes are there. So we'll find out the volume of a cube is equal to, we'll write down the formula L cube, and so it is going to be 6 cube. 6 cube is going to be 216 centimeter cube, and like that we are having 6 cubes. So 6 cubes is going to be 6 into 216. So we'll get 1296. And here going to be the volume of cube and cuboid is going to be same. So we'll write down the volume of cuboid. It is nothing but L into B into H. And the volume of cuboid is equal to the volume of the cube. So we'll write down here 1296 is equal to length is 8. Length we have to find out, so we'll keep it L, and the breadth is 12 and the height is 8. So friends, here 1296 divided by 12 into 8. So we'll get the length. So we'll write 1296 divided by 96. We'll get 13.5 centimeter. So friends, here now the next question is, from the rhombus ABCD find 3 by 4 of x. So here if you see that rhombus is again a quadrilateral in which all the sides are going to be equal. So if you see this triangle ABC, this side is equal to this side, so it become an isosceles triangle. So this triangle is become isosceles triangle. So the angle, this one, is equal to this angle. So you can write down angle ACB plus angle CBA plus angle BAC is going to be 180 degree. And this angle is equal to this angle. So we can take it is Y plus CBA is 140 degree, and this BCA is also going to be Y. Base angles are equal in isosceles triangle. So 2Y plus 140 is equal to 180. So 2Y is equal to 180 minus 140. So simply Y is equal to, we'll get a 20 degree. 40 divided by 2. So this we got 20, this again we got 20. And if you see, this again is going to be same. Opposite angles are equal, so it is going to be 140, then the remaining are 20 and 20. So x is equal to 20 degree. 3 by 4 of x is 3 by 4 of 20, which is equal to 4 ones are 4 fives are. So 3 fives are 15. So children, 3 by 4 of x is a 15 degree. The area of the field in the shape of trapezium measures 1440 meters square. The perpendicular distance between the parallel side is 24 meter, and if the ratio of the parallel side is 5:3, find the length of the longer parallel side. So we know that area of a trapezium is equal to half of sum of parallel side into height. So here area is already given, which is 1440. Sum of parallel side is not given, but their ratio is given 5:3. So we can take 5x plus 3x. So you can write down here, let parallel sides are 5x and 3x. So, and height is also given as 24 meter. You can simply cut it, 2 ones and 12s. 1140, 5x plus 3x will get a 8x into 12. So just keep here 8 into 12 is equal to x. 1440 divided by 96 is equal to x. So we'll get a 15 is equal to x. We can write x is equal to 15. So 5x is equal to 5 into 15, which is 75 meter, and 3x is equal to 3 into 15. So therefore the longer side is 75 meter. So here the next question is, two cubes each of side 12 cm are joined end to end. What is the surface area of a resulting cuboid? So we can see here the length is going to be, suppose there are the two cubes. So it is going to be 12 and 12. This is 12. So the length is going to be 12 plus 12, you will get a 24. So L is 24 centimeter, breadth is 24 centimeter, and height is going to be 12 centimeter. So now surface area of cuboid is equal to twice of LB plus BH plus LH. So L into B, so 24 into breadth is also 12 plus 12 into 12 plus 24 into 12. So we'll write down here 2 into, this is going to be 288 plus 144 plus 288. So 2 into 720 will get, which is equal to 1440 centimeters square.